Alright, so if you want a truck, you want to get finance, this is what you gotta have in order. You gotta have at least $10,000 in the bank. No insufficient funds within 9 months of your bank statements. So if you got about $10,000 in your bank in your bank account, you're straight. And you got to show at least $2,000 worth of deposits a month. All right. So if you got that, you're good. So $2,000 a month of deposits. Got to have at least $10,000 in the bank. And that's pretty much it on that end. Let me check. Hold on. Let me check this email. See what he said. So yeah, bank shows minimal deposits, balance of under 2K. So you gotta have at least 2K a month. Yeah, I already told you all that. All right, what else? All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, man. All right, your credit score's got to be at least 600 plus. So if you got all three of those, $2,000 a month of deposits and about $10,000 in the bank, you'll be approved, no problem. So you'll be approved, you know, as low as $50,000 to $200,000, and I think you'll even, because he told me he actually did a whole fleet, like 4 or 5 trucks. So, you know, if you want to get a fleet, they can finance you with that too, man. All right, so here's the deal. If you guys want to do this, you got to contact me and I'll send you over. All right? You let me know what you want to do. Let me know about your, you know, if you qualified, I'm gonna screen you out right off the bat. So basically I'll be your agent. That's plain and simple. The guy he already gave me a job. He said, hey man, you know, I'll give you, hey, so check this out. I'm the agent. I'm your middleman. So if you want the fucking truck, let me know and we'll go from there. So that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. So yeah, if you want a truck, trailer, I'm your guy. I can get you financed as long as you got the credit, as long as you got that $2,000 worth of deposits a month, and you got that $10,000 in the bank. He said $6,000 to $10,000. If you got $6,000 to $10,000 in your bank account just sitting, you're good. All right, so we're done with this video. Short, sweet, simple, straight to the fucking point.